Welcome. In this video, we will be going over the basics of how to create patient profiles in SimEMR. After we log in as an instructor, we'll see a dashboard page where we can navigate to patient profiles using the dashboard button or the patient profiles link on the left nav bar. From here, we can click on the green button in the top right to begin the process of creating a new patient profile. And here we can see the new patient form. At the top, we have a Generate Basic Information button that I'm going to click to automatically fill some of these fields with some basic demographic information. And at the bottom here, we have educational information, and this information might include things that might help faculty identify what this case is intended to be about, some goals or objectives about this patient, and what level of learner the case might be valuable for. Now, after I've modified this data to fit my needs, I can then click the green button at the bottom of the form, and then from there, I can begin adding forms to my patient by finding it in the patient profile list, unlocking it to allow it to be edited, and then editing the patient. And from here we can see this patient and its timeline of forms. We haven't created any forms yet, so it is empty. Same thing for the table view. If we'd like to start adding medical forms to this patient, we can click the Add New Form button in the top right. And from here we can select which form we'd like to add. These form options include admission forms, provider documentation, provider's orders forms for ordering medication, medication administration forms, clinical data including vitals and intake and output, some nurse's notes with documentation, lab forms, imaging including radiology and diagnostic strip forms, some surgery consent and operative reports, nutrition services, discharge forms, and we can also attach files to this patient profile. Let's begin by creating an admission form for this patient profile. And here we can select the department and select isolation status, input the physician information. We can also see the basic patient information that we've already entered. We can add allergy information, as well as emergency contact information for this patient. And now that we've created our admission form, we can see that it shows up in the table view, as well as the timeline view. And these are the basics of how to create and add forms to a patient profile in SimEMR. Thank you for watching.